Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to do Meera. Meera ka there is a famous saying Meera ka Mohan, but wo Meera ka Mohan wali Meera we are doing, okay? I'm doing that. So we'll start. I've made a rough sketch. See how you are supposed to start. If this is your book, children, see you have to take 4 ungal se. From here you have to take this turn, children. See, this is the turn, and then you make the nose going a little out. Then you come back and you make the nose ring for the girl. Okay, after that, now usually what I used to do is ऐसा करके 3 लिखने का, and then you go and you do this, okay, and then you put the smiles like that. This was the traditional method which we were following, but here we will make it a little different because Meera was a little different, so we should make it a little different. So what we will do is from the nose we'll come out. Okay, after that we are going to make a deep 3. Can you see this part? Okay, now isko thoda sa extend karke from here we'll come down and we'll leave this part just like that because we'll not complete the hoot over here. We'll take a turn and bring the chin. Okay, and then we go back here, and after we go back here we'll make a big earring here. I have made a rough sketch so that I don't make mistakes while teaching y'all. Okay, अभी usually what I used to tell, जहाँ पर ये ख़त्म होता है, correct, यहाँ पर हम लोग eyes चालू करते हैं. Is it right? But now we are going to make the eyes a little lower, like that, like that. See, these are all different forms of drawings, and now you see the size of the eyeball. The eyeball size is extra large, and then you take a turn, and the place where the nose and the forehead meets, we will make the eyebrow instead. So this is going to be a little different drawing than what we have done usually. It will seem to be the same, but we have made 2 differences. One, we have not started the eye from here, okay, and the lip is not that ordinary 3 wala. Now what we will do is, this will be the Mang Tikka and this will be the bindi. Okay, so the bindi is here and the Mang Tikka is here, and then we have to follow the hair. अच्छा, इधर हम लोगों को उसके हाथ बनाने हैं. So I have just taken the position 1. See, I just came from down. I have made the index finger. Then this is the longest finger. Remember children, if you want the hands to look a little delicate, what you have to do is you have to pin it from here and then take a turn. Okay, then the ring finger. Okay, the ring finger and the little finger. And here it goes down, and then we will have the thumb. If you want, yes, we should make the thumb here. Yeah, the thumb. Okay, now she's just holding her hair behind, मतलब अपने बालों को वो ऐसा पीछे कर रही है. ये बाल है, उसके बाद इधर से okay, from here we will take it. This will be the dupatta which is going down like that. Okay, so let's make the dupatta doubly. This will be the plain sari, orange and yellow sari which she used to wear. We will do no pick with it. Okay, now the sari ka palla will come here, but before the sari ka palla, let's make the hair. Okay, wangdu hair. I like wangdu hair, so let's do that. If you like straight hair, it's your choice, but I like wangdu hair, so I make wangdu once. Now this will be the palla which is coming. Now her neck will be here, और neck के बाद ये neck इधर से ऐसा आएगा, और इधर से उसका चुन्नी ऐसे जाकर ऐसा आ जाएगी, और ये पल्ला है, और ये उसका ये हो जाएगा, क्या बोलते हैं, shoulder. So the palla will droop here. Okay, so we have a little portion which is vela over here. I'll show you what is to be done here, and but that's it. No more drawing needed, I don't think so. We'll make a little hair coming out. So she's sad, तो हम लोग उसको थोड़ा सा happy कर देते हैं, ठीक है. So this is the drawing, nothing more. This is a traditional drawing which people used to do, that big eyes. This is not the realistic ones. These are like the Pattachitras and the Madhubanis. It is a form of drawing which is like that. Now you just check the eye. Today I was supposed to teach you all an eye, but I don't know what happened. I'm not teaching. I don't know what came in my mind that I'm not teaching you all the eye. I forgot. So I'm just doing the bordering part of it. You know there are Kerala mural drawings. Now this is not a Kerala mural drawing. This is like the Pattachitra from Odisha and the Madhubanis and all. So if you go across those drawings, you all will understand the eyes and everything was made like that. Okay, अभी ये जो हाथ है ना उस पर हम मेहंदी लगाएंगे. अभी वो हाथों पे मेहंदी जब लगाएंगे तो आई एम नॉट मेकिंग इट ब्लैक बॉर्डर्ड, बिकॉज वो मेहंदी तो रेड कलर की होती है ना, बट द हैंड्स आई एम मेकिंग इट एज ब्लैक बॉर्डर्स. Here the hand goes down. I don't have space here. So ये गले से उसका निकला, ये उसका शोल्डर गया, इधर से उसका दुपट्टा आया, ऐसा गया, दुपट्टा आया, ऐसा गया. ये भी उसका दुपट्टा है जो ऐसे मुड़ के, अच्छा इधर से ऐसे और इधर से ऐसे करके नीचे ड्रूप कर रहा है. I made a mistake but it's okay, I'll rub it. Okay, the dupatta is drooping here. Now since she is Meera, she used to usually wear white colored clothes, but we'll make it and she used to wear orange also. So what we will do is we'll use orange and deep yellow color. Okay, and now this is her hair. Now for the hair also we are going to use a little different technique. I teach you all everything, don't you worry. Okay, so our border is done, and whatever extra lines, like दिस इज़ अ मिस्टेक लाइन, मैं जब करती हूँ तो फिर मेरा मिस्टेक हो ही जाता है. सब लोग का होता है, तुम लोग का भी होता है, तुम लोग मेरे को बताते नहीं हो. मैं तो तुम लोग को खुल्लम खुल्ला बता देती हूँ कि मेरे से ऐसे मिस्टेक हो गई है. एनीवेज, सो we'll start with the skin and this, and then we will go with the hair, because the hair is dark colored and we need to do a little bit of scraping over here. So we will start with that hair part later on. Take a rough cloth and keep color, cleaning your colors before you do it. Now see, this is the orange color and it is the deep orange, the vermilion orange color which I have used. And what am I doing is, just check this out wherever I am doing this orange. Children, there might be little less videos this month because I am completely busy with my world record. I feel guilty that I haven't done it, but then there will be a little less ones. You have to tolerate with me for this month. See, I have done the hot also because she never used to put any makeup. Okay, so her hot will also be in the same color of the skin. Now check this out. This is the hand. Okay, now the thumb will be completely orange. Okay, now this part is completely orange. And we have to do this. Okay, and we have to do this. This is the way the mehndi used to be that time. Okay, now since this is like that, we are going to use a little bit of pink color because थोड़ा तो उसमें होएगा ना, नज़ाकत प्यारी दिखती थी. So this is the pink color here, and a little pink color. We have to start with the orange and come a bit here. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं आने का, थोड़ा सा आने का. Now we take a skin color and we do skin. We have to leave a little white colors here and there. Just check that out when we are doing it. Okay, now the front portion is going to be completely white. See, now the nose will have hardly any color, so I'm not pressing my color because we are supposed to use white here. Okay, we're supposed to use white here. You just check this out. Okay, now her hands. Now this will be the portion which will be skin. So children, be tuned for 28th of May, 11 o'clock on my YouTube channel. The world record will be played live, and every child who is a member of Canvas and Scissors, there's a surprise for you for that day. So be tuned. It will be a watch party. So ask your mommy to make popcorns and keep for you. Correct, because it will be a watch party. Now I have no whites, so I'm using this cloth in my finger to shade it. So this is the trika when you do not have whites with you to shade it. It'll give you a little rough look, but then things will be done. Now this also will be skin. Skin. So the hair is going from behind. This will be skin. This will be skin. This will be skin. Yes, this is also supposed to be the skin. And till here, this is also the skin. So if we want the skin to be a little lighter or a darker, we can do the shadings as per our requirement. So I've completely done the skin colors, correct? Now after doing the skin color, what we are going to take is a brown color, children. Now remember, this is my brown color. I have done this black, so this should not look black, so we are putting brown here. We are taking the brown color to do the eyelashes again, a little here like that and a little down like that. ठीक है, ये तो हो गया. अभी हमको येलो कलर लेना है. एक तो हम लोग सारे येलो जितने भी तुम्हारे पास है ना, वो सारी येलोज लेकर हाथ में बैठ जाओ. ठीक है, अभी मैं मीडियम येलो और ब्राउन यूज़ कर रही हूँ फॉर द आई. जस्ट चेक दिस आउट. ये ब्राउन किया इत्थे, ये ब्राउन किया इत्थे. नाउ आई हैव माई मीडियम येलो फ्रॉम विच आई ड्राइव माई कलर टू मेक इट सुंदर. नाउ ये ब्राउन हो गया. अभी ब्राउन किधर करना था, मैं तो भूल गई. ये मैं भूली नहीं हूँ, पर मैं सिर्फ वैसे ही बोल रही हूँ. मैं भूल गई, पर मैं भूली नहीं हूँ. अभी ये ऐसे ऐसे हम लोग को एक पेंसिल से मार्क करना. दिस इज अ वेरी लाइट माला विच इज वोन. दिस विल बी येलो. सो व्हाट वी विल डू इज वी विल टेक अ फ्लोरेसेंट येलो. कैन यू सी? A deep yellow, not deep yellow, medium yellow and fluorescent yellow. And we will take one more color, and that is the yellow ochre color. Okay. अभी हम लोगों को इसकी जो ज्वेलरी है, हार्डली एनी ज्वेलरी है, तो ये येलो ऑकर कलर लिया, इत्थे इत्थे कर दिया थोड़ी जगह. ओके, आफ्टर डूइंग द येलो ऑकर कलर, व्हाट वी टेक इज द मीडियम येलो एंड वी डू हियर. We take a little bit of fluorescent to do the little gully and we leave a little part white. I say chuchki white. Okay, similarly we'll do here. Now these are the colors we're going to use for the dress also, so keep it with you. Hey, where is my yellow ochre color? Yeah, my yellow ochre color here. Then a little bit of my medium yellow, kuchiga, and then this. And we will do the nose ring as the fluorescent yellow. Now, yes, before doing that, we'll take the orange color. Now, we have taken the beryllium orange, so we will take another orange, which will be a little lighter shade, and we'll do the dupatta first. We'll do the dupatta and the bindi the same color. This is the dupatte ka palla ka border. I mean to say the border part. Okay, this is not the other part. It is the border part which we are doing orange. Children, I am going to do a little nanna munna ka bhi drawing. I have time at present because of the Tufan. My class is cancelled, so I said that let me utilize that time, not waste it, and make some drawings so that at least my YouTube children can do it. So this is the palla ka border. Meera used to wear these orange colors, so I am using these orange colors. Okay, I'll have to take a book little down. Please don't come in between. ऐसा कलर्स दौड़ दौड़ के भाग भाग के मेरे पास आता रहता है यार, फिर कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है ना, ऐसा नहीं आना चाहिए. सो दिस इज ओनली अ प्लेन ऑरेंज कलर विच मैं दबा दबा के घसीट के कर रही हूँ. ओके, दिस इज द हेयर विच इज सपोज टू बी ब्लैक बट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू इट completely black. Okay, so I've done this dupatta, this. Okay, now I'm using my fluorescent color and I'm using my medium yellow color. Now what am I going to do is, ये fluorescent color को इधर बाहर की तरफ से थोड़ा सा कर दिया, इधर भी थोड़ा सा ऐसे कर दिया फ्लोरेसेंट कलर, और इधर भी ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा कर दिया. उसके बाद हम लोग डीप येलो के साथ इसको मिक्स कर देंगे. ठीक है. You know, as the days are arriving, I am not feeling like doing anything and I am getting very scared whether we'll get our world record or no. Yesterday I was just surfing the net and I understood that there are so many world records nowadays. पता नहीं कौन कौन से वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स आ गए. मैंने बोला यार वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड की कोई अहमियत ही नहीं रह गई है. बट वी आर गोइंग फॉर अ गुड वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड. इट इज़ नॉट एवे का कंपनी. इट हैज़ एन एस्टैब्लिश्ड नेम. I was actually wondering, there are so many world records, the ahmiyat of the world record is gone. It is that time I realized that हम लोगों का ऐसा वैसा तो नहीं है. Then again I went and I searched the net, seeing that yes, it's an established company. It is required. See, a little orange has come, but that is okay. It will just give a shading. I'll just take my dupatta का थोड़ा सा and then smudge the colors off. Okay. So this is the way you smudge the colors. Let little orange come, it's all okay, because after all, now the hair, oh shups, now the hair part. Oh my god, मैं क्या करती रहती हूँ, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता. You know, the big major problem is that I have hardly any color. Now I'll teach you all here what it is. See, first you're supposed to take your gande wala brown and do the hair gande wala brown. Even if you leave a little tuchki, now this is a small area. Now here I say yes, when you're doing it at the corners, be careful. Here though it is as it is going to be brown. See, now the waves of the hair have to be done well. Now I take my black children. Be careful with this lut. बाकी का लट तो फिर भी एक बार चल जाता है. Okay, now if you are having a earbud, please use your earbuds rather. Make the waves properly. See, the waves should be seen like the waves. Okay. नाउ इधर जो है कोने कोने में, उधर तो ब्लैक ही कर देते हैं ताकि फिर वो उठ कर आ जाएगा. देयर इज अ स्टिल लॉट टू गो अबाउट चिल्ड्रन. ऐसा नहीं है कि बस अभी तो ब्लैक करने का एक बाल तो हो गया. ना बेटा, अभी और भी करना बाकी है. सो आई एम जस्ट डूइंग इट ओवर हियर फुल्ली ब्लैक. I have hardly any black left with me, but anyways I am supposed to do it, so I am doing it. Okay, then after that we will make the waves like how we made with the brown. Then chicka 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 ding chicka cha, chicka chicka. आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ माई स्टूडेंट्स जो मेरी ड्राइंग्स देख के बनाते हैं और फिर वो कैनवस एंड सिजर्स पे डालते हैं. आई फील सो गुड, सो नाइस. सो कीप मोटिवेटिंग मी बाय मोटिवेटिंग योर सेल्फ एंड मेकिंग ड्राइंग्स. करेक्ट. सो थोड़ा गुल्ली कर्ली बाल बनाया ना, तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा गुल्ली शेड्स दे रहे हैं. आई जस्ट हैव टू रिमूव अ लिटिल चिल्का ऑफ इट. प्लीज बेयर विथ मी. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग मच ऑफ योर टाइम. Even if I'm taking much of your time now, I'm not bothered because I'm making two videos. One is a fast forward one, जिसको fast forward में देखने का fast forward में देखो, जिसको slow motion में slow motion भी नहीं है, मैं इतना भी टाइम नहीं लगाती हूँ, पर जिसको जैसे देखने का वो जैसे देख सकता है. So अभी मेरे को वो टेंशन रहेगा ये, नहीं तो मेरे को क्या होता था पता है, हाईलैंड मेरा वीडियो इतना लंबा बन रहा है, बेचारे बच्चे बोर हो जाएंगे. अगर किसी को बोर लगता है तो उसके पास फास्ट फॉरवर्ड का भी ऑप्शन है. सो नो प्रॉब्लम. डूब जाऊं तेरी आँख के ओसन में, स्लो मोशन में. सो a little black for the eye part, you know, eyes with good black kajal look very pretty. And yes, after doing this, if you are having a scraper handy with you, fine. Otherwise, like me, I keep on losing it. So what I do is I just take my hand to do a little waves in the hair, a little ones, not much, नहीं तो वो दिखेगा तो वो गंदा दिखेगा. और फिर उसको वापस से ऐसे पचका कर देने का. ओ चलेगा, मैं तेरे को भी कर दूंगी यार, ठीक है. डूब जाऊं तेरी आँखों के ओशन में. ओनली अ लिटिल टू बी सीन, के थोड़ा सा दिखे. अभी थोड़ी थोड़ी शंडियाँ बाहर निकाल देंगे हम ऐसे ऐसे करके, है ना. This is the way because they were not very nicely combed hair during that time. Now whatever is to be darkened can be darkened off. Yes, now we have to start with the background. Now to start with the background, you're supposed to take two colors. One is your normal green, one is your gray green, and one is your olive green, which I'm not able to find. One is your sap green. Where is my olive green? Yes, I found it. Okay, so let the light green be there where they want. Now अभी ये हम लोगों का grey green color है. Now I'll teach you what is to be done. First we will put a full coat, a छोटा छोटा मतलब फीका फीका coat of grey green. Remember the color grey green. Just check your hands if they are very dirty, both clean and come. Okay. So ये हमने डाल दिया. देखो मैंने कैसे भी किया. I'm really not bothered कि एकदम दबा दबा के घसीट के करना है, because as it is we have to lighten the color a lot. Now we have to take a white. Oh my God. I doubt I have white anymore. I can't locate my white. So what should I do? Okay, I found my white. Now what we are going to do is daba daba ke घसीट के we have to do our whites below, you know, ऐसे एकदम दबा के घसीट के. But it is not necessary that whatever green color which you have done should smudge off. It is not necessary. Let it be the way it is, hanky ponky. Okay, let it be hanky ponky. Don't try to mix the color so that it looks ekdam even. Okay, now you take your olive green color and your sap green color. Now what we'll do with the sap green color, just place a cloth so that you don't dirty the figure off. Okay, अभी ये कोने कोने में तो हम लोग सैप ग्रीन है ना, जो डार्क कोने में हम सैप ग्रीन कर देते हैं. थोड़ा सा सैप ग्रीन कोने में अच्छे से कर देते हैं. अभी ये दबा के करना है, ठीक है. इसके बाद वी आर टेकिंग आवर ऑलिव ग्रीन कलर और इसको भी दबा के घसीट के वी आर कवरिंग इट. सी, कैन यू सी? अभी इसको एकदम दबा के घसीट के, दबा के घसीट के, दबा के घसीट के, दबा के. So we have made 4 layers. One is the grey green color. Then we had the white color. Then we had the sap green at the edges, and now we have our olive green color. Okay, I know I have to remove the chilka, it's giving me trouble again. So let's remove a little chilka. Now if you are having your scraper, you all will be the most happiest person on earth. But even if you all are not having your scrapers, never mind, let me check if I have one. I can't find it. Forget it. When you can't find, don't struggle with it. We can do it with a nakhun also. So what we are going to do first, one line, okay, then the second line, and let the third line go like that. Now what you're going to do is take your scale very lightly, okay, you're not supposed to press it, very lightly, just have to do this. See, I'm not pressing it, we just have to make a few little designs, okay. See, a little color has come out. Now what you're going to do is press and do it. Remember, now what you're going to do is press and do it. So first let me show you one at one corner. See, this is one thing which I have pressed, correct, can you see this? Okay, इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, ये एक लीफ है, ठीक है। अब ये लीफ के अंदर का है ना, ऐसे ऐसे लंबे लंबे में जितना कलर निकलता है, ज़बरदस्ती नहीं निकालना है, एंड वी विल गिव इट अ लोटस शेप. Okay, so let's start and give it a lotus shape. So this is done. चाहिए तो बाद में हम लोग ऐसे हल्का सा है ना शेप देने के लिए सिर्फ ऐसे कर रहे हैं. Not much. We don't have to really do the coloring part. Now we'll make one move from here. We let this lotus leaf go up like that over here. हम लोग इसको थोड़ा सा और मोटा कर देते हैं. Yes. Now again similarly we will do it here. 1, 2. That is why I told you all. You understood? अगर नीचे का समतल नहीं आता है तो वो ज़्यादा सुंदर दिखेगा. Remember that. If the down part what we had done initially is not very bright and nice, see now this way we are just supposed to. This is also one way of doing few things. थोड़ा सा शेडिंग किए, ज़्यादा नहीं किए. And let's make one small curly here. So let this curly come from here like that, and just make one curly here. डूब जाऊं तेरी आँखों के ओशन में, स्लो मोशन में. You can use certain lines if you want to emphasize. Otherwise, even if you do not emphasize, this will look pretty good. Okay, तो हमारा ये हो गया है. इधर भी एक हम पत्ता बना देते छोटा सा, और वो कहाँ से आ रहा है वो हमको किसी को नहीं पता. तो ये साइड हो गया. अभी ये साइड के लिए what we will do is we will take directly sap green color, that is the darkest color, because there is hardly any space. If you want to still give shading, it is all dependent upon you. So this is the sap green. Okay, we can give olive green at the borders. It is only playing with colors, children, nothing else. It is just playing with colors. Okay, now you take your scale. Now what you're doing is very halke haath se. You don't have to press it very hard. White nahi. हो ही नहीं रहा है. Okay, I had to press it hard, I can't help it. So what I will do is I'll just put a line here for some design. We are not making any lotus, but this is some design which is created here. You don't have to bother much. So So it's done. Wherever you feel that there is a little part left to be done, please go ahead and do it, so that it looks pretty. Wherever there is little white spots, remember white spots are our दुश्मन, and हम दुश्मनों का खात्मा कर देते हैं. हम दुश्मनों को अपने साथ नहीं चलाते. हमको दुश्मनों पे कोई भरोसा नहीं है, इसलिए. Okay, so I think so it's done, children. So this is Meera. This is Meera which we have done. Remember to make the lips and the eyes a little different so that it looks different. अभी ये देखो, ये जो थोड़ा बहुत गड़बड़ हुई है और जो घोटाला हुआ है उसको हम लोग फिनिशिंग करके फिर हम लोग पोस्ट करेंगे, ठीक है. So bye till then, enjoy your day. I make this and post it on canvas and scissors. Please, bye bye.